I call this my RC remote. This solves the problem that everybody that has satellite has. With satellite systems, you can only put the satellite receiver in one room. Well, in this case, I rigged up this box that I can set the satellite remote in, and I'll put the box in a room with the satellite receiver, and that satellite receiver is wired through coax through the whole house. Now what I've done here, I'm having a little trouble getting the thing out. There, I've got it out. It's a remote control car, an RC car, that I have taken apart and put a cam on, and the cam will forward and reverse the remote. Now I'm using it. There it goes. It's showing you that it works. And this will solve your problem. Then all you need is one receiver from the satellite company and wire through the coax into your regular coaxial system. So all I have to do is take this remote control into any room in the house that has a TV, have the receiver turned on with my box, and I can control the channels, go up and down on the channels in that room using that one receiver, which powers up the whole house. And if anybody out there makes any money off this invention, don't forget me. Thanks.